This is the letter V, and this is the lowercase v. V makes the V sound, like in the word violin. Oh, that sounded so beautiful. The letter V.
Drag the letter V into the bowl.
V. V. V.
Great! You put the letter V into the bowl. Drag the letter W into the bowl.
W. W. W.
Great! You put the letter W into the bowl. Which truck has the letter V? Tap it.
V.
Good job! Which one has the letter D? Tap it.
D.
Good thinking! Which one has the letter V? Tap it.
V.
Good work! Which truck has the letter N? Tap it.
N.
Great! Trace the lowercase letter V. Great! You traced the letter V.
This is the uppercase letter V. The letter V makes the V sound, like in the word violin.
Pop all the bubbles with the letter V.
V. V. V.
Great! You popped the bubbles with the letter V. Pop all the bubbles with the letter W.
W. W. W.
Great! You popped the bubbles with the letter W. Can you find the letter V? Tap them all.
V. 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 V.
Nice work! You found them! Can you find the letter D? Tap them all.
D. 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 D.
Nice work! You found them! Can you find the letter V? Tap them all.
V. 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 V.
Great job! Can you find the letter N? Tap them all.
N. 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 N.
You did it! You found them! Trace the uppercase letter V. Great! You traced the the letter V.